It smells too good, you guys. Hello, 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 my fearless family. How is everyone doing today? Today is Wednesday, the 19th, and I wanted to come in and do a quick video, you guys. I thought about my family, my YouTube family, and my credit uh, family last night when I was placing an order. I want to talk to you guys about store brand cards. I know we all want major credit cards, we all want Visas, we all want MasterCards for our businesses, pretty much because we get a chance to hide the utilization, and there's just benefits to having extra credit. Okay? But also don't sleep on the store cards, okay? And the reason is because you can liquidate those cards, and you can go back into history. I think last year sometime I talked about having a Sam's card, and I was approved for a store card for $12,000. And some people would say, well, what's the point? I would rather have the master. Get both of them. But after you get that store card, you can always go online and purchase gift cards, you guys. And that's what made me think about you guys, think about YouTube, and doing a video last night. I was doing some shopping. And if you've been following me the last few months, you know that I just started a new business, and I have an office, so I had to purchase everything for my office. Well, when I initially started building business credit, I got a Staples card. Staples is funded by Citibank, which is an awesome bank, okay? But they're no longer doing business with Staples. For whatever reason, they're no longer doing business. And I received a letter, I think maybe mid June, early July, stating that the program, the business, Staple Business Program, is no longer going to be active as of July 31st. And I'm happy that I was able to catch the account before it closed, because prior to getting my office, I didn't need staples like that. I only ordered like labels and different things like that, shipping labels, packing supplies. Um, if I didn't want to go over to Amazon or Quail or Uline, okay? So I always kept a balance under like 50 bucks. But now I needed the card. I was able to literally order everything for my office supplies, even my chair. I just ordered a break room table last night. And while I was shopping online, just racking my brain trying to think of everything that we need before this card closed literally in 11 days. Some, staples, highlighters, calendars, trade, like everything, right? And I even was able to get a laminator for making employees name tags, because I didn't want to outsource that. It could be really expensive. And we have room here in our office to make those badges. So I purchased everything to make employee badges. And as I'm shopping, Staples suggested a gift card. Now, mind you, I've done a video on liquidating credit cards, but you guys, your mind could, you one track when you taking care of business. So my thing was, let's just get as much stuff as possible with this card before it canceled. I told the team that team meeting everyone that worked with me. Brochures, labels, um, posters for the front office, banners, like anything that we can think of. So we're like literally designing and putting out, throwing back and forth with each other, different logos and things, because we're trying to utilize this credit before it end, okay? But last night as I was shopping, they suggested a gift card. Light bulb went on. I'm thinking, I can just go ahead and finish up shopping, and what I don't get, what I don't use, I can just liquidate the card, put it on a Visa gift card, and use it for something else. So I decided to put a gift card in my cart. So I put a $300 gift card because they suggested the $300 gift card. And I'm thinking Staples kind of knowing what time of day it is with my account because I've been ordering every other day from them. Like I said, just trying to get as much as this credit spent as possible. And I know I'm going to have to pay it over time. But you guys, remember when you're starting a business or you have businesses, you want to use other people's money to run your business and you want to keep your liquid tucked away where it needs to be. Okay, and I apologize, I keep hitting the screen. I'm actually using my phone. Like I don't have my recording situation set up. My camera's in my file cabinet, and I just didn't have time to set it up. So I apologize for having to keep tapping my phone because it keep going black. But so that's what I did. I said, well, let me put it in my cart. The $300 card cost me $309.95. So I'm assuming that's for whoever get the $9.95. And I was able to get my break room table, more office supplies like more ink and different things like that. I figure I'll just get enough ink to last, I don't know, like a year or whatever. And I checked out, and they're gonna ship me the gift card, you guys. So if you have a Staples card, this card right here, if you have it, then you should go ahead and go over to Staples now and liquidate the card. They will send you those gift cards. So that goes for Best Buy, Home Depot, Lowe's, Floor and Walls. I know Floor and Walls was giving big limits like $12,000, $15,000, no PG. Who else? I think Wayfair maybe have, but I think Wayfair you have to PG, like you actually have to pull your credit with them. So any of those department stores that don't really call for you to PG, or you're gonna have the personal guarantee, don't call for you to pull your credit, or you still pull your credit and you want to know how can you use this card. You may not even be a homeowner, but you have a Lowe's or a Home Depot card. Log into your account, create an online account, and go ahead and purchase gift cards and have them shipped to you, and you can liquidate those cards and start using that cash to do whatever you want to do with it. You need to flip it to invest it, then flip it and invest it. You have to do what you have to do, you guys, because I don't even need the money off these cards, but I'm not going to let Citibank close this account without maximizing my credit limit. Okay, even though my credit limit is only $2,500, that extra money, because I think I'm going to end up liquidating maybe $900 of the $2,500, because we've got all the office supplies that we can use right now. And so I'm going to literally use every dime of the 2,500. I'm going to let them close the account, and then I can start making small payments over there in my back office or under my account. And that's how it works. So if you have a Sam's card, you have the store card, I think usually they give you more for the store card than they do for the MasterCard. Me, I got both. I got 12,000 on the Master, 12,000 on the store. Right now I may be using $500 to $600 of that 12,000, and some of that was for cleaning supplies for the office. So if you find yourself with high credit store credit limits and you don't know what to do with them, just go ahead and buy. Go online. If you go into the store and they don't have any gift cards available, just go online, make the purchase, and wait for them to send the cards to you. Okay? So that's a solution if you don't stay close to the store. Like, we all don't stay in like the metro area. Some people watching my video may stay in rural areas. Still get the cards and then just buy gift cards. Again, take the cash off the gift card and spend it however you see fit for you, your life, your business. So hopefully this information helps someone. If this is something you do, or you know of any storefront cards that maybe I haven't talked about, let me know. Yeah. Now, just to let you guys know, would I apply for this card today? No, because I had to PG it and it did hit my credit. At the time, I really wasn't, knowledgeable of business credit, and I was allowing people to just run my credit. That's the reason why I have 10 inquiries on my Experian, is because I was applying for credit without freezing my credit. Now, for all my people that's starting businesses now, or you already have an established business and you didn't know about business credit, you've been trying to bankroll your own business, then before you start applying for credit, make sure you freeze your credit. Make sure you find out which bureaus they pull from, and make sure it is worth the hard pull, because those hard pulls do stay on your credit for 2 years. And people will argue and say, well, most banks don't really care. Some banks do frown upon too many inquiries in too short period of time. Okay, that's the reason why I'm really strategic. But this is one of those ones that hit my credit, and if I'm not mistaken, I do believe that they went over to Experian. So this is one of the 10. I was approved for $2,500. I never requested for a credit line increase because I never needed one. If I would have known that they were going to close, I would have asked for a credit line increase and just got gift cards for to Liquidate. So yeah. If you have any other questions, list your questions below. Like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Latasha. I talk about business credit, personal credit, business funding, and side hustles. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.